So the classes here are your new requisite firefighting medium that we use to fight this fight. Inti there's a fight and the baby so. We have been trained, we are professionals. Let's say ABR, maybe 10 men there, Ijela or down. On yet the type of blood that I can use fire to fight it. I can use water to fight it. There's a map of can remember when you may extinguisher, which I know ABC, that is multi-purpose fire extinguisher can use to fight the fire. No go do that. That is the it's a public one thing I say. In the answer when we do the education, but I won't say we have good education, we have good in some fires more. In time won't say when you can easily walk to the fire station, ask questions, but one more growing. The last fire I fought before I was transferred to Central Region or Ebusia, no more second day. Now was the duty officer at Prondo. In the fire called Buzia. And you can imagine from Aprondo to Buzia, you drive from Aprondo to Abuna Quanta before you turn to Buzia. It's about an hour journey. So we drove from the fire, no idea, Abuna Quanta Moko. Now Abuna Quanta had a problem with their vehicle. So the message was relayed to us to go and then fight the fire. Would you to Buzia junction, Kotien, Ukitindia, and Moba? So I asked my guy, stop! Let me send Wukumara. We are coming to rescue you, we are coming to save the situation for you. You don't know where we are coming from. You want to, hey! So the kind of aggressiveness, I'm with the sunny attack one. Obias in the moment to phone. Then I catch you guys in the woman's God. I started educating them. So public, please understand one thing I say. On here, we are here to save you, to save life and property. You need your mind. That's our core mandate. You need your mind there. Every mama can go to fire station there. What? No. If there's nothing to be done, I will say about spa, about ludu. I'm not to me. To keep the operational men awake. I'm on that. We're supplying to keep them awake because you need to matter about supplying a mattress or supplying a blanket. There, you relax and you're there. In a service, you are there 24/7. We interchange. It's abandoned up to them to keep us awake. It's one more kind of advice if they were done. If you don't say, well, I don't report 8:30 where you want, but I'm here 7 o'clock to work. Why do you want a man? Oh, beyond a schedule. We have the administrators, we have the operations, we have the safety department, we have the account department, we have the PRO, we have the audit, we have the stores. We have the estate department, we have the technical department. It's in what I want to be where about 8 at a point. What would that 8? What would be the 5? What would that 8? It's if you don't want way you do or a complete administrative sector. We have all the departments about the auditors, the internal auditors. We have accountants. Into our account section, Pia, no profile, or what we do. It's here by a day about
down and over corners now. And yet they are to keep us even awake alone. But also, Oma, Yegi, and Adrian, because of a friend and Ijmana, or a very emotional work. Sometimes you will be there while asking to be easy. Shenu pa do ma literature what is one so every madro is no point. You pan up and you know firemen one must walk of fires. What by him there they are drained. Because of inside the mass no one now. You are going or the slow going to release the stress. It's why a stress release reliever. and I feel so no, edgement had a 24/7 and said you, and then, so to be a baby. And see, oh, ma, the whole rest a crack. Yeah, what was a sorry exercise? I had ye knew a friend and serious equipment. Yes, my upper butcher, get up crew room, and yet down be pen what about television. Even Cramp will be why a set up for a friend and kitchener. He is bad. Table tennis or friend a gym, proper gym. What are the bianco of walk away training? But Ghana, you need them in Zamanoa. Inti se eba na nyimpa no otena honum oreye da menzamana mem free day oba onyi twezi biara in fact nyan yetat na edrums ni fiempo osande anopa eba almost 8 hours even was spend 24 hours 38 hours we drum inti wabra boy na yeduma inti se ebet na edruma without doing anything stress will go whatever fear activities or every drum so that means the main now for stress will go so we use that as a way to get the distress of friend you know so it's not like maybe but better one day over down it's never like that.
If my insurance is time management is very important.
Yes.
Why you can do to me is young should from my friend Wabra Pedro. How many minutes they were there? The maximum or minimum other first episode to do the scene, or is the distance in which the community is? Time management.
Okay, for time management, I have advice service anytime the things are good. We send a new pound wage man and before I will be free, and I'm put I remember your feet a drum year be. We're booking you know. Time madam, why draw time is good read time is river. Your boy report the time is boko. Ubiara be drama. Time was the baby ara, what true. In see every point in time, even cry in shorter, your botro. Time as soon as it started, time or was so. Say our friend that a word to light time I was the best time maybe I was a dream time I was so. He be a true. In see time is very important to us. Sapphire AC will be afraid. Sometimes I old baby or home, I am here or Sunday. If you are one of my fire, sir, then brand here come. How many people know 5 7 one number? If you are one man, now my friend 5 baby son a fry, you saw the number, no, it's no. And one, it's not so wild through. Sometimes a friend who our fry after 5 7 for me, a friend and your questions be a baby so. And that question I will be solved. Only at 30 minutes, I don't think they will do. Yeah, but this is location, India, Jan, water, saving crop when you as a problem, Jan or train part. It to me be so when you ma fine, and you ma fine. Your baby so maybe our friend and say community na there. So you find the Abraham, Abra, and you faculty. They had one number. The same thing I had one number in the day. Say, I want to say in particular place. Maybe on them in Tamna, or friend. In Sibona, we say, what your number? BBI was on our throwback and why the direction of the place. By him will be brave, yes, sassy. You are one man or friend. If 5 years you 5 years, be our Abra, knows the phone natural. Abra fine, Abra. Inti on Toma on Orban in or shape or friend will be there as a station lookout. Inti or in an or should be our friend and be a smoke or be our friend or oracle because we are one man. 5 those are to be our friend Musu or Baba inti or what shape. Maybe I wish now work on maybe a different place. Inti say the moment I fire Baba. Before water 1 minute, or there can go to the station. Into only Papa Norwich ones a many now, where I can fire now, radio, wabble, bell, there, fire, firemen are one was in the car. Into or maybe so question will be in now, or be so questioning an oracle, or be a nose I'm a duty officer. And now, when you're a personnel, we see. Driver is almost a debia, what's now, or friend, tendon. Fire car and I day what's an engine. In case of emergency, he is the first person to get on board. Now, my friend, the personnel also, there is no way, say, if Fred rightly use a friend appropriate number in the first 5 service, what better now why they, or it's now 1 man, and 1 time they will be was about. Within 1 minute, they have to move out from the station. But what if station are wearing him in your 9 and no coffee? If you are buying what's the crowd, no, we in Mount Wasefa, while work on Apple, Yaz will be out of work when you're into traffic. Taxi driver would a siren is to do. Or bed 9 channel, car, or cross, and your own partner on the and the men's the main now would lay him. This year, so ramps are over a henoquam. Sometimes I don't know the reason why why people what ramps P this time around. Ramps need now so delay because all do 1 man on to first speed or for ramp or there or to the bar or do will be or to the bar now or for ramp no say o son. The men the main now we delay hen or friend and coming and then I share communities are. Even roads na what did the communities na so or nya papa. If baby amuna ya auto yan car no to be frank or multi-purpose car. It is engine another pump. No water chima. If you manage to make no only. And so I don't make sure that as much as possible on we protect them first. Because for 5 service, if you are not able to protect yourself first, how are you going to protect one eye? And see, yeah, Kade say, what friend, a month for woman, yeah, if you want my road now, if we're out or half of road na, nimpa for the road nine, was in Zama, Orton. Mono, Orton, road in you do.
Orton, be sir.
Orton. Or find a friend provision shop road in the room. Into how do you expect the tender and tender is also? How do you expect that tender to maneuver? No one. Into the men's the man to see na we are also in one man. Yerko baby watcher. But the kind of normal circumstance looking at from a yani paid, Yanfa paid from paid to Abra. Conye anything for friend difficult to be out of 1 minute and 2 minutes in. But look at the traffic on the road. We are or preventing and baby air or restricting kakra.
Okay, I'm going to say my end I remember and I ever Zaki by watching.
Welcome to Ken's Furniture, where dreams meet reality. Our custom crafted and globally inspired pieces redefine living. Indulge in luxury with our custom made sofas, the perfect fusion of comfort and style, showcasing unique craftsmanship that sets Ken's Furniture apart. Transform your kitchen into a culinary haven with our custom designed sets. Our custom crafted office solutions blend style and functionality to your professional life. Unwind in luxury with our custom designed beds, turning your bedroom into a sanctuary of relaxation. Elevate dining with our custom manufactured sets, crafted for unforgettable moments. Explore the world with our carefully created foreign designs. At King's Furniture, every piece tells a story, your story, and the best part, our prices are as cool as our designs. Locate us in Accra, Kiseman, adjacent Melcombe, and Takrade, Tanokrum, Paipano, opposite TTI. King's Furniture, set as standard.
Right, that's the name I have a BM, and there's a F square, and the to me is Juma or and the pay. You could produce which one I bought in if he tenders are whole, you want to tune that to now, you want your commander for Frosan so to know. Then I into me, yes, yeah, then to me, the sister, we have changed our commander, then we'll come back to the studio BMs and then a papa share there. He never fee no more country not then. Answer never be fee and so Uncle Fee. If you are your fire service and the security or your zone be a rabak on the gate, no, you be Casacona Cacabako. Me, I know, but you was a the reason why human or the baby to move, cars or the baby to move, a call, a can military or a camper, and the mistake is that I'm back on frame. Here's an apocryphal sandwich. Was time Musa more years, more quarter crowd from me. Mistake, be some of them, Mubiara, only Mubiara. As some now bring young upon the bush, I send this off. Mamma, when they're not my punishment, Baba. And we should learn something about that. They be already to me, but you know why I'm not doing there or can't above from now switch and Casa nephew to know our co him. It's a first service numbers P cry into numbers are here now what I will let you know our and to not acquire him. It's from almost 10 radians first in how they are numbers or to offer bridge to Bruno. So a friend quoting the nephew, you keep with some power and can baby, my one when you mention it, I'll give you the number. This is how it is. It's a young woman's in the answer. It's very simple, young question. But me and you try him, Mike, still now we'll talk about that. And say, let's go on the images. Yes. And say, Uncle Finn name I mean for. The means I mean, you or she say. Do we have it in our premises as in the cars? The car knows everything is set in our cars or
yeah. Say motion here. This is the
fire tender.
The fire tender.
Yeah.
Ne cabinet, ne cabinet, ne hose reel.
Yeah.
The cone.
Yeah.
The fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
Hoses.
Yeah.
The your gallon show.
Yeah.
These are the real equipment in the appliance.
Okay.
And it's intact. As for these things, they are there intact.
Okay, so you should be waiting here. You should hand right side. Hose be na this session. Into the men's man or when they are every car they would be and then they normally be on my
Yeah, cars in your dual purpose tender. Your
you can do
which are there.
Both for rescue.
Both for rescue.
Okay.
And then it has all the equipment.
Okay.
Until the dual purpose tender.
Okay.
Into on an be beer room.
Okay.
Or foam compartment.
Okay.
As in now, look at foam or a chemical.
Okay.
On yes, brew or
Okay.
a chemical. On what the 5 class B5s.
Okay.
Liquid.
Okay.
Petroleum fires.
Okay.
On what the fight.
Okay.
It is same the upper fire scene, then will be beat this similar or fight fire no only the chemical foam chemical component. What the fight fire.
Okay.
Nina is fixed in them.
Okay.
You will no akaza what the connect or foam chemical Roman outlet or a mixture or the out Nina or the draw purpose tender. You will rescue one now, but you'll presume.
It is a yeba and mention say yeba if you are right, yeba the second leads our top and down. Until if you're down here, you know there it's the
another box.
Yeah, and so I have
the more box it can be sun
medical
glasses.
Okay.
Gloves.
Okay.
In a damn man know the box
Okay.
In a gallo is one.
Yeah.
It can be there be attached of when the fuel it was shorter or when the fuel was back and up what 1 year. In a no so cool not this one or for safety purposes. Maybe I want you to be say your mouth in appliance now.
And where we call upon the
it's already from the area there. You don't have to get close to it. It water there or the place is hazardous. You can be trap or anything.
Okay.
It's here, so you more sign there, them not it. In the other side, you say, in offering fittings or fittings in your hydrant stand, pipe and bar, key and bar, all those water to
Yeah.
all that you ship. I'm using the right way. We ship it on the hydrant.
Okay.
And get it fixed. We ship. We ship it on the hydrant. Now it's secure. Now it will be soon. Afum. Now it's out.
Okay.
Now fight for it. These are the equipment of the left side.
Okay.
Right side also. Yeah. That's one black one on.
Yeah.
For the hose rail.
Okay.
On they use they minimize water.
Okay.
It's here about 5 ground. This is me. I'm the of some asset situation. I'm moving the situation on here. All that big. I will use 2.5 hose now. I'll use the hose roll to fight it.
Okay.
On time they will use enough to battle the fire until morning.
And the yellow you know what corn in China. On also don't on say ebia insu it's baby with why flat.
Okay.
And now the way replenishing or insuma. On also was to know with the distance and the depth of the water and the baby our friend and searching the hose.
Okay.
Or I'm away too will retrieve in case of any emergency there.
Right.
Well, among your suction hose, let me explain that if you're not being into suction hose,
Okay.
that's the hard hose, your flexible hose, which is a normal hose that we use to fight the fire.
Okay.
And then we have the suction hose, which is the hard one. Actually, septic emptier. So because septic emptier, that's a you know what the train toilet.
Okay.
It won't only be what the two. Well, under the suction hose, hard one, also. And we use it to drain water from an open space.
Okay.
And suction hose, okay,
Okay. Producer, may I call the second one? Let's see what is going on, please. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, this is the double work. Was not say I double. Okay. Do you have this in our premises as a region?
Yes, I have no. Since I tender, I use a dual purpose tender.
Okay.
And see, or both water tanker and other equipment and so on. And I have as we are fortunate to have a rescue tender.
Okay.
Fire rescue tender. Them fire rescue tender on the CBI. Or basically equipment.
It's only at the bottom of the
basically meant for education exercise. It's all equipment to pen.
Okay.
But the one office is a multi-purpose tender.
Okay. Producer, let's go. Yes. Hannah, someone.
Oh, yes.
Do you have this in the region?
We don't have this in the region, but we have it in the other region.
So, how many regions do they have this?
We have this in Accra, Tema, Kumasi, and Takoradi. What shade? It's them no sister King. This appliance is very expensive. This is where you find 10 table ladder. 10 table ladder. It's very expensive. Until on here easy to all the regions should have 10 table ladder on here easy. Until Kakana urban, what should the high-rise buildings are all region in Wobush, what's it called?
Chinese you.
High rise is supposed to be more than 6 story building.
Is that so?
Yes.
It's what high rise.
We are talking about more than 6.
So you can pay with the member. Looking at education officer, the immigration and say, in case of emergency, do you have equipment you can fight for?
Oh yes, as at now, the one we use it to fight it. That's why we do the pump 2, pump 3, pump 4.
Okay.
Because pump 2 and then we are asking for another lieutenant to come. So if there's a fire outbreak, now they start here, they'll fight. New day, there's a need for us to get pump 2, pump 3. We relay the messages to the closest of the fire station, which is Secondary Fire Station, to come. I can't remember very well. There was a fire outbreak at Kotokraba.
Okay.
That was Secondary.
Yeah.
And we came from Sekindi to come and support Cape Coast. Your really messages are
and I'm a friend, yeah, but now we'll see I use it. Depending on the pressure, what pressure by a 4-story or 3-story. So it doesn't necessarily mean that or there 10 to be a only be one. You know, you can attend a bullet or a boat them or also for rescue and fighting fires. And to say, maybe a trap or maybe a 7th floor and a baby them. We will extend the chain now while for you was about. Not the main so say in case of friend of fire, also which was the hose and connected through the hose. Now what the fires are all about. And the Ghana had also electricity wires nara or wires are full. Into the carry say as a hand CC as a quack of fight fire or ABI, young family, when I recognize education officer. What do I know what it's a YSP?
And
over.
I'm not passing some flags.
Yeah.
And your tentative like they want to do.
Oh, I'm going to
but if you are not the ordinary, but no, why is creating more?
Under the animals, why is that fine? But flags are not just uncle. Also, wait a minute, that's or two from a nobody will pick it.
Yes.
Sanitation is
and see, that is the reason why I hear you are because I don't know. Even top riders in the crown, it was giving them problem because what could be a more not to wires because of its height in it.
so top rider will be there and tell them.
Top rider.
Thank God. But top rider has a more repeat. Clever, on yes. Police are yes. I think that the bus too small. This is how I see it.
But you were friend rapid
response or rapid intervention vehicle.
Okay.
Rapid intervention vehicle.
It's non vehicles now we're using just within the community level. It's on your huge fires, maybe a fire on some, maybe a small market fire be a community be what the instead of the work attend be a one on to all maneuver in a you are packet to them each man.
The matter you say it's a very good appliance.
Okay.
And what was another thing when we're intercrading, you know the way the market does this market sector the way design big trucks and to more inside. Until if there's a fire break in the market, we use the Incan or a Land Rover, a quick intervention vehicle. You use that one to maneuver through the market to fight fire. And in your composition or what, we can run hoses from an hydrant to go and feed this appliance to fight the fire. It's a particular vehicle. You might be because we are today. Big appliance cannot go to maternal. And to say, crab the man, it's possible to maneuver to fight the fire for us.
Producer, can we move? Right. So, these are what fire extinguishers.
Yeah, these are fire extinguishers.
Yeah.
Basically, make dry powder extinguisher because of the color coding.
Okay.
Makabibi and San fire extinguisher.
Okay.
In a natural sense, Ubia sin the na, since Ubia na dream ewi. Bob Uncle, but you're Ubia na do one there, ewi, Bob the statement, my mere book proof. My book proof with the cameras. Nazina will bomb me fee. We'll be a free day. Eject and it's about Uncle, you know, if you really know. But you generate today, my CCA, you know, so can you see look at all the electrical appliances are working. We are here with the fire. Do we even think about our fire extinguishing medium or extinguishers? Do we even think about smoke detectors to detect early for you to know that there's a fire outbreak in my house? You generate you're in that, you're in the soil, you're in the air conditioning. Yes, so far, 24/7 Osiendo, yes to TV, you use gas. BPR will nefi. But we don't care bother to get fire extinguisher in our houses. So this is fire extinguisher. This is dry powder extinguisher. It's multi-purpose extinguisher. It can take care of Class A fires, Class B fires, and Class C fires. So they are very good equipment. Mpocho bia o hwe bibia no pay inibia. Ko hwe fire extinguisher. Awo ni baby ebo ni bia abra fire say brepedu. Edu pay no is the safety department. I'm not sure about to system 4. I'm not to system 4. My boss or friend Mustafa is there. We have other police there. Come, we will help you, assist you to get a fire extinguisher and fix it for you. Yeah, but if you are entering into the Christmas festivities, we are entering into the dry season. These are the things that we are talking about. Men drill and create what's in home. And create no feeling horrible. Like the jails are the automatic suppression system.
Okay.
You're fixing baby today, baby. Meter house, powerhouse, and a woodita room, and baby. Minima is like able to not all easily. The bubble, a band, a big noodle.
Okay.
It has a sensor. It is saying, can you do money? Let's say, ja, at smoke no coshoka crab and a sensor or sense smoke in the bed. Then I saw a trainer. Tell shh. You might him.
No, most of them being no matter. What is yeah, sure. Able to able to yes, that's what we are talking about in terms of school education. Yeah, the because come up foundation.
On the number American, yeah, rescuing. And a fire service and so, a service able to be up benefit, they without Obia on the industry. Because it is a human as a warlock now, where they
bunab in terms of fire.
In terms of fire. In America, they say, BBC, it won't be good. Now, if you are a year baby, and obstruction, sometimes a crown polo.
Obstruction, sewer panel,
and we are friend, you do baby, no, or baby waits more or a day to then because Nadina go to be a fat, you do to me if you. Yet, baby, I say, yeah, you do put a bottom or they make sure that your ways and means are able to get that atria, you do. And see, you cramp moon or friend, but there was a chainsaw and Uncle Nadina or your 2 years is the mutual. And see, say, I'm on a cutlass snazzy. Say, baby, or a day at a while. Your bottle. Nay, for tender all the equipment.
Young for boys is a share bag. National for boy yellow, you know, national a business share black. In terms of movement, you know, or there also maybe I can or to me, and they will be million.
Yeah, uniforms, yeah, she on. I'm a missy, and as a nipa, on your words in promotion. Or a normal, yes, informer, or a day as a shake, or the boots. And yet, I want to say, or ye uniform, or ye be a coat than on the corner, go to my solution, because on your good kids. But say, Eric feel that, feel the market, feel that means the fire, a friend, attend the fire. On a dummy yellow, a boot no one. Them tunic now over from one wire, the yellow and black, no, say blue, black, no. On no a day. Because on your friend or insulator, I will protect your friend.
The simple put on a safety boot.
Safety boot, say we are welcome. Unfortunately, wires, electrical wires go on no tear on your tree. And see, on no aeropan, where they make sure the only time we can initially PPE. PPE, you know, can wear helmet, wear tunic, or nation, wear boots. And no one can win there. It's a fires and the men's a man for one, or they make sure they add-on. Yeah, I say add-on. Add-on
in terms of fire.
Fire.
Yeah, producer, you go ahead now. The music go number.
Okay. School for.
Okay, producer, Chana.
Most of the times, I think that this year cramp, yesterday, wasn't there school for by go and was one by station. Yes. And then one also so the move of say chawan as Oyaza brain yama over station. Now you want in church on 10 days no munzam. Ama kona over for that one will film one man read business of pay we too for advice. So Oyaza school the yako primary school yako friend and crèche yako secondary schools. Even tertiary schools,
nursing training. This year, all nursing training became post my education. Bakano, Abra, and Uncle. I've done about twice of it. Until as for education. Then, before we move on, class now ni Picasso as you know, Mr. Castle, but could be out to do. So, but so on, it's a so when you be able to out to car queen, I'll for 5 cents. You come and chop it. If you go out to car queen or obstruction, we need to get the route clear and then business activity.
Right.
So only in account.
Right.
It's you know what I say before.
Yeah, please let's move ahead. Thank you. That's some of the safety equipment we use. I can't and say, I address uniforms. Can you move on? Yes, I know someone. Into and Taraho and also Juma. They will and also here's a Asian.
Fire resistant clothes.
Okay.
Whitey. Oh no. Wash it. A bra fire is not very intense.
Okay. Intense.
Now near to the pie. Botum apple. Once because you know botum wash your grandpa. Botum water the crap. Botum was bare 30 minutes and another 20 minutes and sun.
25 to 30 minutes.
Well, I started the oral show and I ate the oral show. Into your know, baby, we're friendly premises within the premises, I into any. Now, was a breathing apparatus.
Okay.
Breathing apparatus, no, them cylinder now or wait, oxygen, no.
Okay.
Into oxygen, no woman, no. Onuna, Elkuma, indoor fires, Elkuma, it's more protect wildfire or friend and smoke because. Bijano sota most of the time or wusu na opening part more than your friend the general waba obi abagajo de nipa no show bia nya de janu be ya no be show but wusu
is kana kono
okono mo ntumi nya hwea na janu otum okono baka nti se yara ko baby a otedema ono no nka pp ya be a full set of pp nka very important aha no dem Ataria was she, to be frank, some ways in the matter, what you, if I'm not lying, what you want to car?
Is it your
oh, you are, but on those,
right,
and see, was okay, especially so it would be a trap with Jim. I would be pushy Jimma or a show. It's all on everybody, you need to don this. No, it's my enter for you can rescue you when they pray.
And a breathing apparatus, so you'll be able
to be sure.
Requirement, I was a
position. Doctor, breathing and to my don't breathing apparatus.
What you
but
secure title,
it's the job again. It's the job again.
It will be a job
the Temple School Training School, what she also shaping is done every morning. Okay. It's ever nearby cooperate repair will be inspect your BA or the one search you will shaping is done every morning. You didn't shave this morning. That was by your method.
I see.
That's the reason.
All right. The police, let's go. Yes. It's he is over there.
Yeah.
These
are fire buckets. And then I see I training. We had the training for total filling stations.
Okay.
All the whole Cape Coast.
Okay.
They came in batches.
Okay.
We trained them. And someone was asking me there, what the agreed room jana. Because the fire bucket you went there. And here, no. Now, I'm not there. I am young, Udunja. You just to be said, no, to go to Jah, I'm not to do that. Some books I've been invited for 34 years.
Oh, I see.
My books are mentioned up to now. I'm married to all the experience that I've acquired. Nothing tells me there whether I'm young or Udunja. This one is there for spillage. Because spillage, Apple filling station, Nebu petrol, and I diesel, Nebu Gufu. Now, all sudden, never here is good. We are now so that I'm a fool of all my JB, amount soup, now found that. Into this are the purpose for that.
But this is every name, and I say that you share the papa. Right. But this are the fun then. The phone numbers and the new regional commander and the picture of a year if you to me the travel by small message concerning if he in the Manzama when we are going out was before for a person out to from thank you. Yes, these are our telephone numbers for a central region. All telephone numbers for central region. It's when you call me, I will give you this. I will carry my moko trades and first I suppose no P na minimum na I call about for that into the regional headquarters. And then I was 020-5388-644 or 0299-340-945 or 0299-340-603. It's a button software 03321-32902. Bia upon from us will do for so agona in Saba Abrodunko, agona Sedro, Budumbra, Bremen Esikuma, Bremen Esil. Dunkonofin Elmina, Commander, Markesim, Cape Coast Metro, Chufu Praso, UCC Winnipeg. Say, Nina is there for you to learn. In case Nefi, baby to me say to my friend. Yes, I will tell you if you say fire satisfied, young children when you dama work and on the Jato, Baba. No, we'll do no phone. It's that, you know, there's our original new commander. Listen, is it? And it's a new one. See, there's a regional commander, Waba, or original. A Yamachi or concrete. This is a mammy no Waba. It's a phone and a back of you. I'm your friend.
Yeah, a new regional commander, very beautiful woman.
Yeah.
A pattern per day. Yeah, our friend is here for Mary Atinga Misa.
Oh,
that's the name. She's now our regional commander. Good morning, madam.
What is the ACFO? That's
Assistant Chief Officer, grade 2.
Okay.
You know, in our ranking system, you're great.
Okay.
I'm only a grade 1. Assistant Division Officer, grade 1.
Okay.
You are Assistant Division Officer, grade 2. That's how
it was on the safety.
Only U2. Division Officer, grade 2. Then we have the DO1, Division Officer, grade 1. It's a DO2 now. Division Officer, grade 1.
Okay.
Then from DO1, you go to Assistant Division Officer, Assistant Chief Fire Officer, grade 2. Assistant Apple, grade 1. Okay. Then you enter into the deputy.
Okay.
Then the Chief Fire Officer.
Yeah. Madam Mary, that's it. You mentioned sure. Papa, the Baba Mwaka, so now the relationship, you know, order to know was I was a bear, actual cry and member. Now, I can be but sister, safety in our homes. A black of you, a baby, nigga, still for the black.
No more feel. What those and don'ts be one. Number one, also do not open doors or break windows when there's fire outbreak.
Okay.
Because it's full of the fire. Fire, we have three elements that come together for us to get fire. We have fuel, we have oxygen, and we have heat. Into the man Obama, Omenja. Today, there's some crop water, it's broken. If we are introduced with heat, I never so matches, and I keep a better now so matches. If we are a day, we can also. I'm putting and then the purport in amount from also. These are the three elements or components that comes together for us to get fire. Into us then, do not open the doors or windows when there's a fire outbreak. It's just to fear and poor church. Let me say it. It's just to add here. Maybe we have one to. If we have one to, I'm not going to inframa. Obedient, so about major. Sure. That is number one. It's for here for dry season. Here for pay. Maybe be the ministry. Say BBC the man. Maybe we wapo. Maybe we to crowd to. Then come. A moment from album. My general, I can say. It's just all carry man. Men sorara. Men dem gidi just on carry. You go be bonnet. If you bonnet now, you allow more oxygen to enter. Fuel it. Then the fire become bigger. Number two. Please take precautions for the following. Don't make fires in an open space and then leave or unattended. So you should make sure they be very soldier or safe. Men soldier so that years by the years man. Now that's all phone no. You go out from a years banana. Concentrate on each other. We are doing. Nah, you know, we today most are department of the station. We have a lot of departments here. One are investigators. One are ejector. Okay, investigation. Who the reason why you know see. We have a lot of reports that indicate that people cook unattended. Into all na do not throw cigarette butts out of cash in an open space. I'm not for no. George, we are what we have to cigarette in our too. You need no auto. So I got to drive for them, leave do, and now go to people do, and not go then. But the jack, what's Baba. Then, we are getting into the dry season. So every house, each house should be able to install smoke detectors. And you may be a smoke detector. I'll just walk straight to the fire service. Every safety department. When you come there, we'll help you to get smoke detector. Me, I fix someone. Me, I show Musa. Or you do not. Say, what smoke detectors will fear. Time your house is safe. Because the smoke detector will detect within a radius. Okay, within 8 meter radius. In say fix, today was office today with office school so. Into them radius detecting all your juma says even there's a socket here. Let's say musu start or nana. Detecting what you are pick the musu. No one start there or trigger or beep out, indicating that there's something going wrong. We need to check. So check it, not the jack as a rubber. Plan your escape from fire. You should be able to plan your escape. Yet here, know the door corner is an exit. And you never talk about it, make sure I plan what's in. Then keep an eye on smokers. One jot, many are not what you do. So we'll do one area, keep eye on them because at the end of the day, know what you might find or watching that. he doesn't care about it. And then I've said cook carefully. Then another thing that Odija Papa on air conditioning. Yes.
I see.
And with the air conditioning option, a lot of power. Until we don't use 30 amps for air conditioning.
Okay.
We use after over 15 amps. Until time we make sure we have air conditioning.
Right.
And we'll be around the air conditioning there should be able to get smoke detector.
Okay.
Because air conditioning abon wooden, into the fine. It say let's say air conditioner started the socket now started to melt. Because you are enjoying your sleep. It's very comfortable to sleep in air conditioning. But say with smoke detector all day man. If there's any smoke oozing out from the socket, the detector will pick it, throw an alarm for you, alert you to wake up, then you handle the problem. It's in my case, time no, that's happened. My master so.
Maso kakra mzaba kan December me a colleague okay no. This year I was dry season from November to March. Dry season. Them dry season is this fires or tawsipa. And to say hen equafon so work farms so better wash or friend then one a habana. So by there you will be a friend fire blankets. Fire belt and fire bricks. A cooker assassin in change and baby a pede so it makes sure the a panaba between baby air the other side and also and sana as so. Nyata you be as no the suja. The best soldier and papa on were friend and from man foam. And I the bring that from and walk foam cacranos and a castle. And I feel so soon. Say yes, what may make sure the age now. Yeah, try my job wash. Even if I'm wow, feel Punese, if you won't run a pedestrian now. Make sure they run Eriswa, age now, on baby wash and sana, a bock was then from out two, often rally or the cotton. Or friend say, I have been your corner, why you tried another wow. Bon otum kotuma ozija wazoba and I feel so no ya heni fi say you go friend electrical gadgets bia ebia hu dey or say and the wife voltia immediately na electricity for and the electricians waba bohwe and our correct time ya na you use extension board nye bibia na tum this extension board mu na exist juma especially with microwave, urban heaters, kettles and all the corner. They be doing an out in a socket. So as a cash extension board, as a friend, TV and our tape as a come. This is Juma. Rice cooker as a come. This is Juma. Now it will be 5 seconds overloading. It's here overload your friend and socket and extension board. You overload the extension board and so on or a high risk of friend and fire, so much more the jack was abroad immediately. Into say we fear use the means of money say if you are socket or your crap, make sure they additional sockets are provided for the means of money. Now on fire at renting beer on farm bro. I feel so no. Say yan society easy gas is the Juma will feed. Say use gas cylinder. Baby Honoma, one pie we use Osidono was it, but you are gas boner was a venom with gas. On put a very dangerous. Say a user use it in an open space. But a use in that there is leakage on the it may use. We send the Obotum weapon easily because on the channel or for me direct, you know, Oziba. Say a use cylinders who fear under normal circumstances, gas cylinder or a not a waste man inside. But this is the case sometimes because about now it is a use of a friend and gas cylinder with fear. Let's say use no with him. make sure that before you use them, aqua cylinder no aka check that there is no leakage around. Wo ben no ahwe say in way sido monity or friend leakage unfortunately if you aka do put say eboye sido ma it's a gas center. Ebe ya member so matches. And I'm go there say wo friend aso wo light wo e bia wo kitchen na baby dem man men so call wo friend and wo door wo windows aboeboe ma mframa on for 15 to 20 minutes. And sana ebia eboso aso because the moment eboso will light because of sparks na or socket na the in your bottom wa connect because we friend yes gas line and to a gas bottom wa full what that was it ija
but you if work about the gas here munka the main experience on gas and pay last week yeah my gas say Mokro gas station was the amount of gas. Mokro also 300 or feel at 300. So I asked the guy, is it 14.5? I mean the normal, not senior. Last time I was saying we turned to 40. It's the Occupational Management were increased. Not knowing there, or not on us, it's what filled to the brim. It's all along them. No have so stove now. When you saw in them the Miadana to Nansa was also them since 1 week I let the gas and coffee. Also be out boom. The markets are more selling them, more stove with one tea. Moo the and what's called that fee that he was so I don't know say gas and Libya. Or because our restaurant minimizing us and so. Now, let me beg you our moment. I'm sorry, there. Morocco, cylinder no number. So, all cylinders are one phone more so. My connect was I on the phone. Where so I got to boom. And we need to caution the operators that if considering why with the vacuum well cylinder so that as in way too were balanced. Now I feel that to the brim. Now I'm still what it doesn't matter. I feel that to the brim. It's impression urban or you great. It's best or you serious. It's I just run to the bedroom stay. Sweet, you know, I'm not into in country. Was a free marker? What's the tea? Listen, wow, it's a phone. Number 2, a friend, regulating. Let me ye who's in film. Me pressure was on the bay. Wow. So we have to send caution to the owner what fill gas. You direction has made the stay with the instructions or one there, even a good night is going night you are going to beg people's houses.
But in the FFS, the Black Coffee will host a program. What to insert I have a pocket fee in my mere from or a fair service for the mission share papa, but no more fair service at yeah, me and let's see. I check. She bring me in but I don't go with that. My commander, whom he man and him sister. Like we ever come as much of commander. But I wonder why that I see nephew only in Benoit Danager. Yeah, but Danager must show ya smoke, borrower. And maybe about 2 years, me feeling them who pay Mukudumas. She didn't ask me what. No.
Question about you see, also if you young and your friend say, even more, your school, I go school, they will use shares. No, school, your school, I need to use shares. And you institutions.
About them being fast for Panga, he knew regional commander, the regional PRO, the regional safety officer, or in a better one. Mustafa, baby, was long. It's a better prof so I see that way to my boy in the BBR to my economic. So Professor Kwame Bamfu AJ or CCTU, I mentioned the Baba. The man soon desire does it, DD or a producer, technician, from everything. DD that was what Papa Bernice and Puma, a mission shop down here with me. The BBR so to my emotions were there. First, I was for the DBR no of to be remember my buttons are from Sundays. People, how are they to me? There is hydrant in the community in which we are destroying them because send the next through. Yeah, then around Casamugra. Until we are causing problem for them. I'm with many years because the hydrant were abra outdoors accessible. Since soon as they can fetch it within the community, not under Wutumana or Yachi. Saying I was saying one, your mom was in a few to yes, shall be so done. I prefer for a bus I hate you about. Maintenance will be up to her. Mind and one a few minutes, you may just want you. Thank you.